And today here in the state line, we've just been dealing with the heat. The second day in the year in the 90s, got up to 92. Officially the warmest day of the year so far, and we're probably going to be setting that record as we head later on into especially next week. June averages about 4 days with 90-degree plus temperatures, and we're going to get close to, if not above average in terms of that figure. Temperatures definitely going to be staying above average, though, as we head for the next week and even longer than that. Tonight, down to 67 degrees, mainly in the Rockford area, though closer to I-88 and the farther south you go. Some spots may not even get out of the 70s tonight. A very warm night up ahead, and that sets up the stage for maybe some thunderstorms to roll through later on tonight. It's this activity across northern Wisconsin and has been moving through the Minneapolis area over the last few hours. This is going to continue to make its way off to the south and east, making its way into our area, heading into the overnight hours. So future track showing this activity arriving at about between 5 and 6 o'clock. So looking at just before, if not during sunrise for this activity to roll through. Should be clearing out during most of the morning commute. The early part of it may still have some rain showers rolling through. However, the activity clears out by the middle of the morning. And also, so do the clouds too. We'll see much more sunshine later on in the morning, and that's not necessarily the best thing, especially considering it's going to boost our temperatures right back up to the upper 80s, maybe even some spots getting back into the low 90s like they were today, leading to more showers and thunderstorms. And with more humidity, that leads into a potential for more severe weather. We have an upgrade to a level 3 out of 5 risk for Whiteside and Lee counties, and the rest of northern Illinois now in a level 2 out of 5. So we're looking at pretty high confidence, especially the farther south you go, that we could have some severe weather later on into tomorrow afternoon and evening. Mainly looking at 2 to 10 here. Main threats here, strong winds and large hail. Can't rule out a tornado or two with these thunderstorms as they develop. So here's future track. We could have some spotty thunderstorms developing, especially the farther north you go early in the afternoon. And then as we progress later on, that activity moves out, and then we'll watch for more activity, both out of the north and out of the west too, coming out of Iowa. That could be rolling through, and this could be where we potentially see some flooding rainfall. Nothing like what they're seeing in Florida, but we are still seeing that potential for some localized flooding if that second round of storms does roll through, especially the farther south you go. That's where we're looking at that higher risk of severe weather. Things do look to clear out, though. It looks like by 9 or 10 o'clock, and that leads into a much better lead up to the weekend. Plenty of sunshine, temperatures relatively cooler, low 80s for highs, but then beginning on Father's Day, getting right back into those 90s, and in your most accurate 10-day forecast, we'll also have some on and off chances for showers and storms throughout next week, so we'll keep an eye on those. Plus the extended heat and humidity, especially those overnight lows in the 70s. So it's really going to be a battle to stay cool heading into next week. Kind of like how it was today, forecasted 90, just 2 degrees off the bullseye, and that boosts the cash total up to 533.